Hi, I'm Alvin from Maryland. Um, I've been attending Drone Command Live. I've had a great time. The energy, the information, the nuggets that are being passed on by Damien and Diego are phenomenal. Definitely, I wish that I had other people and other friends that could have came along at this time to be able to participate, because a lot of this is definitely just the idea of going from being a drone operator or a licensed heavy, flying a drone, as far as being an employee versus owning your own enterprise, building up your own thing, even the part of leaving generational wealth to your kids. That's been phenomenal, as far as just the things that have been popping off, thinking in my head, as far as the different revenue streams and everything else. So I definitely can't wait to do this again next year or the next time when they have it, and definitely be able to bring the rest of my team along with me. I definitely would recommend a whole bunch of people attending. There's The only question I would ask is, why wouldn't you attend? There's so many things and so many benefits to get. Just the fact that there's so much, it's like peeling the onion, the different layers and everything else that you get. It is always another surprise based upon the little things that are added in, and from Damien's experience and the other people that have come through in the past, as far as who've benefited from it, and even more so, the benefits you get from being VIP are phenomenal. Just the fact of the little things that you find and everything else, and the direct access that speaks volumes.